Hello everyone, welcome back to the MailsDaddy YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you the step-by-step process of how to create rules in classic Outlook and automatically move old emails into separate folder. This is very useful if your inbox is full of old emails and you want Outlook to organize everything automatically. So let's get started. First, open the Outlook on your computer. Make sure you are using the desktop version of Outlook, not the new Outlook app. Now before creating the rule, let's create a folder where old emails will be moved. On the left hand side, click on the inbox, click on new folder and named it old email and click enter. Let's create the rule. At the top menu, click on file button, then go to manage rules and alert. Click on new rule. Click on apply rule on message I receive. Click on next. Now Outlook will ask for condition. For example, if you want to move emails from a specific sender, check from people or public group. Then in the bottom section, click the blue link and select the email sender like Somit and just click on from and click OK. Then click on next. Now Outlook will ask for condition. For example, if you want to move emails from a specific sender, check from people or public group. Then in the bottom section, click the blue link and select the email sender and click OK and next. And for a specific folder, choose which is already created the folder, click OK. Now just click on finish button and click on apply. Click on OK button. Now Outlook will automatically move matching emails into old email folder. For that, go to the old email. As you can see, the inbox become much cleaner and more organized. You can create multiple rules for different sender, newsletter, promotion or work emails to keep your inbox full organized. And if you want for a particular user, just click on this, select the sender and click on move and rule and create rule button. Here you can create a rule for a particular user, and for multiple we have followed the above method. So that's how you can create rules and move old emails in classic Outlook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the MailsDaddy YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.